So, Samsung just released the first teaser for their Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition. And this is actually them confirming the release date of the actual product. So, it's this guy holding an envelope. He walks to this door, knocks on the door, slides the envelope underneath the door, and it says, "You're invited. 10/24." Well, actually, sorry, 10/21/24. So that means obviously September 21st, 2024, which is right around the corner, 3 days from now. That's actually Monday. So Monday, they're going to reveal the actual phone. Now, obviously, most likely pre-orders will begin right when they, again, show off the phone. I would guess pre-orders either that day or maybe the next day. Which, again, it's going to be impossible to get this phone, okay? If we're being honest with everyone here, it's going to be impossible to get this phone. So it's one of those situations where it's a cool concept, like, awesome, this is cool. But then we can't actually get the product ourselves because it's going to be a limited edition variant released only in China and European countries. So it's still going to be nice to see what this actually looks like and also kind of get the spec list, right? I'm going to take a wild guess here. Wild reach. I feel like the Z Fold 7 is going to be very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Fan Edition. I'm just going to take a Hail Mary type guess there, but I would not be surprised if in the end, these are almost the exact same devices. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. Tell me down below what you think, because I'm starting to think this more and more as I'm hearing more and more about this device. And this is this typical Samsung here. Like, oh yeah, we apologize for not innovating. We apologize for all this crap. We apologize. And then they would be the same company to say, oh, well, the Fan Edition phone now, a year later, we're going to release, oh, I guess not. Yeah, it would be a year later. A year later, we're going to release a Z Fold 7, but guess what? You get the Fan Edition now as an international phone, and you also get it at a cheaper price tag, or knowing Samsung, they might charge the same price. So I could definitely see that happening. This might just be the Z Fold 7 in the end, but we're going to have to wait and see how that turns out. Definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though, and what's your thoughts on the Z Fold 7? Peace out.